So hello guys, today we are going to solve Hacker September Easy problem balance cube. So in this problem we are given n cubes of sugar and we are given that all are pure except one cube which is impure, and the cube which is impure has less weight than the pure. So you have a balance machine and you have to find in minimum number of steps you have to find that in how many comparisons we will get that impure cube. So for that they have we will be given an integer n, means total number of cubes, and you have to tell minimum number of operations. Like in worst case, how many times we have to make comparison on balance uh, for finding the impure cube. For example, they have given input 4. So for that 4, one method they have given is put 2 cubes, and then the thing is, let me explain. So what we'll do, among 4 cubes we will compare first this one cube in the pan. So suppose this is the pan, our pan. So this is one element, this is one element. If this is impure cube, then its value will be, its weight will be less than this one, right one. So in this way we can get this. So here we will require number of comparisons equal to 1. So one comparison. But if in case these both cubes are equal, then we know that then the impure cube will be among the remaining. So we will compare the remaining one. So now we will compare these two, and either of them will be impure. So we will get the impure cube. So we needed two comparisons for this. One comparison for this and one comparison for this. So we needed in total two comparisons. So basically, so how to solve this problem? So general idea is, if we are given n cubes, what we will do, we will split into three parts. For example, this one is n by 3, this one is n by 3, and remaining equal to n by 3. So what we will do is, we will first compare these two, sum of these two cubes. If they are equal, means the impure cube must be in this remaining one. If they are not equal, then we will select the cube with, we will select the portion with minimum sum. For example, if this one will have minimum sum, then we will select this. So in worst case, what will happen is, these both will have the same sum. So we will go to this cube, then among this n by 3 we will again divide them into n by 3, n by 3, means further divide them into three parts. So n by 9, n by 9, and n by 9. N by 9, n by 9. So in this case, again what we will do is, we will compare these two elements. If sum of both are equal, then we will check in the remaining one. If any one of them will have less sum, then we will check in that one. So we will keep on doing this until we get just one cubes on both sides, and then we will find out the cube with minimum sum. So this is a problem, like it's like three-way partitioning. So I have written the code. Let me just tell you. We will first take the input n. Then if n is greater than, we'll check if n is greater than equal to 1, because if n is equal to 1, then that's the only cube. So if n is greater than equal to 1 means n is 2, 3, or so on, then we will first add and count, because we will need at least one comparison. Then what we will do is, we will divide n into three parts. So we will take CL of n by 3, because why we will take CL? Because in some cases, for example, if n is equal to 5, so for example, in the case of 5, what will happen is, if we take 5, then we have to divide it into three parts. So what we will do is, we will take one part of 2 cubes, and one of just one element. Then we will compare these two sum. If they are equal, then we will just say that this is the impure cube. If they are equal, then we'll select the cube, the partition with minimum sum. Then suppose we select this 2, then we will divide it into two parts, so and we'll compare them. So basically what we have to do is we will take a seal of n by 3, like 5 by 3 seal is 1.66, so the seal becomes 2. Then we have to compare this 2 again. We have to take the seal, so what we'll do is 2 by 3 and its seal will be 1. Now the value is not greater than 1, then it will break. So total we needed 3 comparisons. Sorry, total we needed 2 comparisons. So that's it, that's the logic, that you have to compare this, that you have to recursively check it, or you can do it in while loop. So let's just submit this. So it's compiling, and okay, cool, all test cases pass. So that's it, that's the logic. You can see it's very small code, so you can easily write it, and that's it. So this is method is like three-way partitioning. I hope you like the video. Thanks.